One of our core goals at PHLster is to make concealment fundamentals as known and mainstream as grip, sights, and trigger. We want to create a community of concealed carriers who are not only confident in their concealment knowledge, but comfortable safely carrying guns on the day-to-day. This overarching goal influences a lot of what we do at PHLster, from product design to the resources that we put out. Many of you watching this video have encountered PHLster as a brand because of our Enigma system. The vast majority of you are able to receive your Enigma in the mail bone stock and start successfully carrying with it, while some of you are able to get where you want to go by using our educational resources, and a small section of you may be struggling with your Enigma to this day. Maybe you purchased it when it first launched back in 2020 and haven't used it much since assembling it, but would like to use it more. Maybe you picked up an Express model but haven't been able to find the best gun placement for your body type, or maybe you're just using your Enigma on the day-to-day basis, but there's one little tweak you feel like you may be missing. And if you're one of those people or somewhere in between, we have designed a completely free Enigma Tune-Up class for you. There's absolutely no catch here. We simply want to provide you with every resource you need in order to succeed. Dakota Adelphia and I have been working on this Enigma Tune-Up for a little over a year now and have been offering it to PHLster customers for about 6 months. And as a result, we've been able to help well over 200 Enigma users individually dial in their comfort and concealment. So who's invited to the Enigma Tune-Up? You do not have to be a PHLster customer to attend an Enigma Tune-Up. You don't even have to have your Enigma yet. Dakota and I designed this class so that there could be active participants and audience members. Active participants will be invited to attend the class with their cameras on and ready to go with their Enigma system and any concealment accessories they may need help with. And audience members will not be on video or have audio, but will have access to watch the tune-up live and ask Dakota and I questions throughout the tune-up. What can you expect at the tune-up? Our Enigma Tune-Up usually lasts between an hour and a half to 2 hours, kind of depending on the amount of live participants. We do cap our live participant number at 8, just so that we can ensure that we are respectful of everyone's time. The tune-up will start with Dakota going through a couple of slides explaining some key details about the Enigma system, comfort issues, common questions, and their solutions. Then I'll come on screen and actually show you in more detail what gun placement may work best, legally shrouding alternatives, gun to body size ratios, and more. And then once Dakota and I are through with our brief lecture portion, we'll then spotlight one individual at a time and address each of their concealment and comfort concerns. In almost every single tune-up that we have done thus far, by the time we get to the last 2 or 3 individuals, they have pretty much already taken cues from the lecture and all the other participants and solved most of the issues they initially showed up with. We may not be able to solve 100% of your concerns, but we will certainly have fresh ideas for you to consider and try for your specific situation. The only criteria required for being a live participant in the tune-up is that you have to have a properly assembled Enigma. In the application process, we'll ask you to submit images of your Enigma to ensure it's been properly assembled or appropriately modified. And if your Enigma has a minor assembly issue, we may contact you and explain how to fix it and then allow you to attend as a live participant. But if the assembly or modification issue is much more significant, then we'll provide you with resources on how you can fix it and then ask you to come back for a future tune-up. The main reason we require you to show up with a properly assembled Enigma is because improper assembly can contribute to a whole host of problems, so we can't really provide you with helpful comfort or concealment solutions while using an improperly assembled Enigma. We also can't really help with assembly problems live in the course just due to time constraints. Fortunately, though, we have a comprehensive library of content and an outstanding customer service team standing by to help you with any assembly concerns. Keep in mind, though, that anyone is welcome to attend as an audience member. There's absolutely no requirement for audience members, and and if you want to keep an eye out for future Enigma tune-ups, you can subscribe to our email list. And if you're still unsure if the Enigma tune-up is for you, I would highly suggest going over to the PHLster Concealment Workshop on Facebook and searching Enigma Tune-Up in the search box at the top of the group. We've posted some of the spotlights from our previous tune-ups in that private group, so this will give you even more insight into what to expect for your individual spotlight portion of the tune-up, and I hope to see you there.